Subscribe to Technical Coder and hit the bell icon to watch latest programming videos first.
Hey, what's up people, this is Technical Coder here, back again with another video of the Shotcut Tutorial series. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute a portion of a video. That means if you have a voiceover of this video and on the original video part you have a much noise, so you don't want to have that video audio and you want to give a voice over it by adding a separate audio. So how to mute that one? So first click that video that you want to mute. I have selected this video and then click on this one, mute this video. That's it, and it will not run. You can see here. Okay, and this one is for the entire video row, and if you want to do it for a particular video, this section, so you need to do this. Click that, go to filter, plus add a filter, gain volume, and reduce it to -50. That is nil. Reduce it to nil, and that's it. It will be done. You can see. So let me tell
Hey, what's up?
you also how to reduce the volume. So same as it, select the audio that you want to reduce the volume, add a filter, gain or volume, and reduce it. Just reduce it little bit. How much you want, and then play. You can see the audio has been reduced so that your audience.
Hey, what's up people, this is Technical Coder here, and this is sample video number 2.
It just smooths his ear. So that's for it today guys. Hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you or catch you up in the next episode. Till then, bye bye, peace.
He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner